Hello everyone. Let's get started with today's thought. If you cannot be a pencil to write someone's happiness, then try to be a nice eraser to remove their sadness. Children, always be happy and spread happiness around yourself. Let us see the difference between diamond and graphite. Both are crystalline forms of carbon, uh, but see how diamond differs from graphite. Diamond is a hard, beautiful crystalline substance. Graphite is a soft, black, and brittle crystalline substance. In diamond, each carbon atom is bonded to four other neighboring carbon atoms by covalent bonds. In graphite, each carbon atom is bonded to three other neighboring atoms of carbon by covalent bonds. Diamond has rigid tetragonal three-dimensional structure. Graphite has hexagonal layered structure. In diamond, no free electrons are available. In graphite, free electrons are available. Diamond is a bad conductor of electricity as there are no free electrons available, and graphite is a good conductor of electricity as there are free electrons to carry the electric current. Clear? Note down this difference between diamond and graphite in your science copy. Here is the difference between crystalline form of carbon and non-crystalline forms of carbon. A crystalline form has a regular and definite arrangement of carbon atoms. An amorphous or non-crystalline form has an irregular arrangement of carbon atoms. Crystalline forms have high and sharp melting and boiling points. Non-crystalline forms melt over a large range of temperature. Crystalline forms have definite geometrical shape, sharp edges and plane surfaces. Non-crystalline forms do not have a definite geometrical shape. The crystalline forms of carbon are diamond, graphite and fullerene. The non-crystalline forms of carbon are coal, coke, charcoal, etc. Note down this difference in your science copy. Today we are going to study non-crystalline or amorphous forms of carbon. The arrangement of carbon atoms in this form is not regular. Coal, charcoal, coke are the non-crystalline forms of carbon. Coal. Coal is a fossil fuel. It contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It also contains nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. It occurs in the solid state. It is of four types. Peat. Peat formation is the first step in the formation of coal. It contains a high proportion of water and less than 60% of carbon. Therefore, uh, not much heat can be obtained from peat. Water content is more and percentage of carbon is 60 or less than 60%. Lignite. Peat was transferred into lignite due to the increased pressure and temperature inside the earth. It contains 60 to 70% of carbon. Lignite is the second step of formation of coal. Lignite is formed when peat due to increased pressure and temperature inside the earth. It has carbon content around 60 to 70%. Bituminous coal. Bituminous coal was formed as the third step of formation of coal. It contains 70 to 90% of carbon. Bituminous coal is formed as a result of high pressure being exerted on lignite. Anthracite. It is also known as the pure form of coal. This coal is hard and contains about 95% of carbon. Children, have you noticed that due to increased pressure and temperature, the four forms of carbon are uh, in four forms of carbon, water percentage goes down and carbon percentage goes on increasing. Peat has 60% of carbon, then lignite has 60 to 70% of carbon, then bituminous coal has 70 to 90% of carbon, and pure form of carbon is anthracite. Clear? Charcoal. The charcoal that is made from animals is made from their bones, horns, etc. On the other hand, the charcoal made from plants is formed by combustion of wood in an insufficient supply of air. Uses of coal. Coal is used as fuel in factories and homes. Coal is used to obtain coke, coal gas, and coal tar. Coal is used in thermal power plants for generation of electricity. Coke. The pure coal that remains when coal gas has been taken away from coal is called coke. So, carbon has three non-crystalline or amorphous forms, and they are coal, charcoal, and coke. Uses of coke. Used as domestic fuel. Coke is used as a reducing agent. Coke is used in production of water gas and producer gas. You will come to know about water gas and producer gas as you study in higher classes. We will study about hydrocarbons in next video.